dear friend. Today we're gonna making a video about making a pillow with why. So let me tell you how you feel sleeping without a pillow. Uncomfortable, right? Well, see, I feel uncomfortable, but maybe some of you out there in the world watching my video, sleeping without a pillow, feeling so uncomfortable and unconscious, can't sleep. I can't sleep. Wow. Today we're gonna make a pillow for our doll. I'm using this fabric right here. I choose this fabric because it's perfect for making a pillow. You can choose every fabric you like. And cut just more piece. First, I'm gonna take this side and I flip one of it like this. Then I flip this onto this. Perfect. Now we're using thread. White one. Now we'll cut to see a perfect piece, guys. A long one. So now we're gonna put into the hole right here. Let's see. Hold on. Now we just need to tie an end at the thread. A lot of people on YouTube show how to put your thread to a needle. Because some people having trouble doing so, but I don't have any trouble. I think that is easy. If the needle doesn't fit in, just cut a small piece of the strand and then start sewing. First we will start with this side down here. Now we're going. We will start from the top first here. We don't want to mess any piece. Okay. It's so hard, but I did it. And now we're gonna keep continue. This is gonna take like a minute. Look at, I'm doing great. Oh yeah, so great. Now we're going. It's great. I also have some stuffing here. We're gonna stuff the pillow with stuffing. I know stuffing should look like cotton candy, like when I chew them. But don't you want to have surgery to take those cotton ball out? And do you want tummy ache? I'm sure I'm scared of that. I never want something horrible like that happen to my little tummy. Ah. I would be horrible scared. I'm scared of surgery. Don't I? Yes, I do. Surgery is scary. You have to rest in the hospital. But mostly you don't see your family. You just see them chew phone and stuff. Now I'm done. Now we give it a tie. Okay? A perfect one. Nice and slowly. So we spent like 2 minutes tying it, and now we're done. Now we'll tie one more time. And we take the scissors, we cut out. Now we're done. We're gonna have to cut the long end too. You see? No, we're done. Okay. Now we're gonna sew one more of this end. So we gonna put stuffing in and sew the end here. That may be tricky. You have to sew 3 layers and 1 sticky at the same time. Oh, but I could do it. Now we're gonna need a new piece of thread. Just how we are using little, but we are using big too. See? Now we put to the thread in. Okay, now we're done. We just need to tie it. And we're done. Now we'll sew. We'll sew it here first. Then we go keep going. It's gonna take a few minutes to sew this pillow right here. Okay, it's getting trickier and trickier. But I'm still doing fine. Okay, so we'll keep going. And we're nearly done. Now we're at the end. Now we'll give it another tie. 3 times. I use 3 times tie. My sewing is bad. I don't really know how to sew like an adult, so I just tie it. This looks really ugly. You should study to sew good for your parents. Not like me, my sewing is bad. But we are making a perfect pillow for my doll. We're gonna add stuffing. Finally, it's the part you are waiting for. Adding stuffing. Okay, we're gonna add this part in here. We're gonna add more. Okay, more. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. And into the pillow. Wow, a pillow like this is a lot. And finally, we use up our whole stuffing. Now we're gonna sew the pillow right on the middle. This is like candy to you. I'm an eating monster thread. That means I eat thread that people throw away. Now we're gonna add in the thread into the needle. Okay, now we'll pull. Okay. Now we'll tie. Give it a tie to the needle. The thread don't really fall out the needle. Now we'll start from here. And we'll keep continue going. See what you all of the cotton that we have. Wow, you wonder how come a small pillow for a doll you have so many of your stuffing? Because it needs to be stuffed. It's gonna need to be full, so it could be stuffy and cool. But if a pillow has too many stuffing in it, it's gonna be not good. It's gonna be high and slipping on your neck. It will hurt your neck and doesn't feel comfortable after all. Now we're nearly done to the end. Have to keep going a little bit more. Okay. Oh no, I have a hole right here, but it's not coming in. I'm sad. But it's okay, not a big problem. Okay, now we're nearly done. To the end. Now at the end, I will give it 3 tie. At the end, 3 tie. Now we cut the thread. And what I have a stuffy pillow. But not stuffy enough. But alright. Very comfortable for sleeping tonight. Wow, do like today's video. I really thank you a lot for this time for watching and subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.